is where kiwis transform.
Each kiwi is handled to prevent bruising.
Only kiwis at peak ripeness are selected. Every bottle of kiwi juice begins its journey here, among living vines.
Quality control starts before the kiwi leaves the farm.
Next stop, the processing facility. Traceability ensures consistency in kiwi juice flavor. Sensors guard every crate of kiwi.
Fresh kiwis now leave the orchard.
From soil to system, the process is relentless.
Every minute counts in kiwi juice production.
The factory awaits millions of kiwis. Harvested kiwis now race against time. Millions of kiwis arrive daily.
Once inside, the clock accelerates. Once sealed, the journey begins.
Precision prevents damage.
Fresh kiwis are moments from release.
Every kilogram of kiwi is logged and traced. Harvested kiwis move quickly to preserve freshness.
Gravity does the rest. Begins.
From this point, everything is automated. Efficiency protects both product and resources. Every kiwi is washed uniformly.
The first cleanse removes field dirt and debris.
A final rinse prepares the fruit. Now, purification begins.
Every surface will be stripped clean.
Even microscopic residue is eliminated. Moisture control is essential.
Data drives every decision.
Sorting happens in milliseconds. Now, transformation approaches. Only juice-grade fruit proceeds.
Human judgment still matters.
Cleaning is complete. The heart of the factory awaits.
The line stabilizes for processing. factory absorbs the harvest. Output is measured constantly. Scale defines modern juice production. Machines verify what eyes might miss. Defects are revealed instantly. This is the first mechanical touch. Now the kiwi structure is broken down.
Only liquid purity remains. Foreign materials are eliminated instantly.
Pumps replace gravity at scale. Pressure turns pulp into liquid. Flesh and juice are released together.
Consistency is engineered here.
Flow is balanced for constant processing.
Science improves extraction efficiency.
Clarity signals progress. Oxygen is the enemy of freshness.
Microscopic particles are removed. Now the juice begins to refine.
Nothing moves without verification.
Stability prevents flavor loss. Flavor is engineered, not guessed.
The juice is now stable.
Automation passes the baton.
Balance protects quality.
Every variable is visible.
Transparency equals purity.
No shortcuts are allowed.
Testing never stops. Preparedness is mandatory. Software maintains perfection. Uniform containers ensure accuracy. Nothing is left to chance.
Every milliliter is controlled. Identity meets precision. Precision defines the final steps.
Verification is instant. Consistency is enforced mechanically. Sealing begins immediately.
stability returns.
Flow is balanced again.
Form locks into place.